Hey, it's Ed Antique Toys. We got a nice looking toy, Mack. It's got some serious dirt, serious issues, and we're gonna see what can happen with a little bit of TLC. Okay, so I'm getting in here with some Q-tips. Get some dirt off of this area up here, right around here, these high spots. Get around here just to get the dirt. Get back top of the axle. Blah. Alright, so dabbing on a little bit of oil, a little bit of cleaner, just to try to get a little of the dirt off, recognizing that this was a really dry toy. It's looking a little bit better. I'm not trying to over restore it, I'm just trying to kind of get the paint back in the right position of having nourishment. Very encouraging. And the fact that my swab's turning rust color is a real good indicator that the work is positive. We're having some success. But I'm trying not to. Okay, so I'm wiping, getting some dirt. Alright, so here's the end of the resto / cleanup. Not really resto. Got a partial sticker. Got a nice little Mack. Nickel plated guy. Radiator cap. Original tires. Got this little latch back here for the tailgate to dump or not dump. And then this incredibly complex lift mechanism. Or not. You then pop this up and it can dump. Cheers from Ed at Antique Toys. Enjoy.